Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a 7-layer casserole. Starting off in a well-greased 2-quart bowl, I'll be adding in 1 cup of uncooked rice. The next layer is 1 can of well-drained golden sweet yellow corn. In here I have 8 ounces of tomato sauce, and I'll be adding in 1/2 cup of water. Once those are stirred together, they get poured over top of the corn. The next layer is 1/2 cup of green bell pepper and 1/2 cup of diced white onion. Those get sprinkled across the top and spread out. The next layer is 1 pound of lean raw ground beef. In here I have a second 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. I'll be adding in 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, along with 1/4 cup of water. Once that's stirred together, layer 6 gets poured across the top of the hamburger. And the final layer is 4 to 5 slices of bacon. This is now ready to go into a 350-degree preheated oven where it's going to bake for an hour and a half. For that first hour, it'll bake covered, and then for that last half hour, I'll remove the tin foil and allow it to continue to bake until it's nice and bubbly and the bacon is crisped up on top. Once the casserole came out of the oven, I did allow it to set out on the counter for about 15 minutes just to allow it to cool down a little bit. I've gone ahead and topped it off with just a little bit of sliced green onion, and now all I have left to do is dive in and try it out. I do have to say though, it has smelled absolutely fantastic for like the last 45 minutes while it's been baking. This really reminds me of a recipe I grew up eating in the 80s whenever I'd go over and have dinner at my friend's house. This is something her mother would have made. Overall, it's really good. A little bit on the bland side, but I did add a little bit more salt, and it did perk up those flavors. Overall, it's a great dump and go recipe, and I think you could definitely play around with the seasonings in this and bump it up even more. But that's going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I see you in the next one.